What is the what?
What is in between the div tags?
Input type text placeholder type here with 500.
What next?
And button on click and the attribute we create and do it.
So if you were to tell us what the elements, now don't tell me with the attributes. If you were to tell me by just the elements that are in between the div tags, what would you say? How many elements are there?
3.
Are you guessing or you are sure of yourself?
I'm sure of myself.
Good. So name them. Name the 3 that you said that are there.
Div 1.
Really?
No, type.
The things that are in between the opening tag for div 1 and the closing tag for div 1 include div 1 itself?
Type.
No.
Huh?
When they ask you for the name of an element, is the first thing that you see after the less than symbol that you call the element by its name. It's an input. Element. If you want to call it by its name, it's an input element. If you want to be more specific, then you say it's an input of type text. So that's the first one there. The second one is an input of type what? Password. And the third one, button, which has an attribute.
Which has the what?
An on-click attribute.
Oh, yes, sir.
So now those are the things that are inside the inner HTML. Now go back and finish explaining that function. What happens next? On the right-hand side.
And then it makes 2 buttons on the right hand side. 1.
It makes 2 buttons.
It makes 1 button.
What are you saying? I'm asking you to explain this code. You are going back to go and read note that is explaining another code. Explain this one that is in front of you.
It 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 makes one button do it. It makes one button do it. Hello, sir.
I'm listening to you. You have not said what I want to hear. You haven't said what I want at all.
One button.
It makes 1 button.
It's on the right hand side of the operator.
Can you see that concatenator at all?
Yes.
What does a concatenator do?
I can.
What does a concatenator do?
A A concatenator, how do I explain this? A con okay, so it joins strings together.
So now that you don't have strings, what is this one doing?
Um,
Explain it now. It's joining something together. What is this particular one doing?
it's joining the D.inner HTML together.
To what? It's joining the first one. There are two d.inner HTMLs on the right hand side. So it's joining what to what?
The left hand side and the right hand side. No,
Which left hand side and the right hand side?
they're joining these two together.
Are they not the same thing?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So if they are the same thing, after that function executes, after that statement, the right hand side executes. What am I expecting to see on the left hand side?
Mm, what do you mean by what I with respect to the left hand side?
What am I expecting to see after that statement executes? That's what I'm asking you.
Um, um, and I say it again.
Can I say what again?
Let's say what you just said. Let's see the question again.
I just asked you to explain what will happen after that line executes.
Okay, so after that line executes, um, the button will go back to D.inner HTML on the left hand side.
You've not said anything.
Hmm?
I'm telling you, you have not said anything. We're still on the right hand side. On the right hand side, I can see d.inner HTML concatenated with d.inner HTML. The first d.inner HTML has two input tags and one button, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The second one on the other side of the concatenator has also what? Two input tags and one button, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes, sir.
I need you to be vocal. I can't hear what you're saying. You're muffling your voice. Is it no? Is
Yes,
that not
sir.
what you? Okay. Now, when you concatenate those two together, what do you expect to have as what's the total number of input tags that you will have now?
Oh,
And what's the total number of buttons that you will have?
two.
So all that will now get transferred into what?
Back into the D.inner HTML on the left on this side.
On the side. So that will now mean that when this statement is done executing, the new look of that web page, you will see 4 input tags and 2 buttons, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, take note. That happens when you click the button how many times? Once, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's imagine that we clicked the button again. That first time when you clicked it once, you now have 4 input tags and 2 buttons. This second time I am taking it, what are you going to have?
4 buttons and 8 input tabs.
So let's go ahead and test it and see if that's what happens. Be careful, just click it once. So how many input tags do you see? How many, you know what I mean by input tags? That's the text boxes. How many text boxes do you see?
8. 4.
Eh? 4. How many buttons do you see?
2.
Now click the button one more time. Let's see. How many input how many input tags do you see?
10.
How many input tags do you see?
Oh, 16.
Count it. Eh? How
It's
many
not
input
4. It's not 4. No.
eh?
Oh, no. That's the button.
Now, how many input tags are there now?
8.
8. How many buttons are there now?
4.
So, does it agree with our explanation?
Yes, sir.
You see, if you don't take it like this, all that we're doing here don't make sense. You'll not be able to explain the code. You'll not be able to
Sir?
line up the code.
Sir?
Hold on. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
I said that if we don't do it like this, you will not be able to link what you see in the code with what you are seeing in the page when you run it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is how I expect you to be testing your code. You go to the code, look at the code and ask yourself, what is this code supposed to do? Then when you can explain the code to yourself, then you now say, okay, let's go and test it and see if it will do exactly what I've understood it to do. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anytime I want to explain a code and you can't explain it, I'll be very, very disappointed with you because I don't expect that at this stage you will still be missing basics like this.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No. Yes, sir.
So you understand how it works now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I'll send you something to do before Tuesday. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day.